In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Now select one of your chats and tap on this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Following that, you can click on your photos over here or select Gallery instead and pick them from here. Lastly, select Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!